or I can say a passion towards he worked each and every day, each and every night. Kabaddi is his passion, and this calm and collected player rose to become the vice captain and then the captain of our national team. So once again, a big round of applause for Mr. Anup Kumar here. He has been awarded as Arjuna Award in 2012, and most recent accomplishment was leading the Indian team to the gold medal at the 12th South Asian Games in Guwahati in February. So once again, let's welcome him with a big round of applause here. So as being so inspired by the teaching of Swami Vivekananda, यहाँ पर एक छोटी सी स्टोरी मैं सभी के बीच शेयर करना चाहूँगी जो स्वामी विवेकानंदा जी and our honorable Prime Minister नरेंद्र मोदी जी has recently shared with us कि एक बार की बात होती है कि एक शेरनी होती है, there is a tigress, और उनके दो बच्चे होते हैं. तो एक शेरनी के दो बच्चे होते हैं और वो अपने दोनों बच्चों को लेकर जाती है बाहर सैर कराने के लिए, घुमाने के लिए. तभी वहाँ पर उन्हें एक भेड़ों का झुंड दिखाई देता है. उस भेड़ों के झुंड को देखकर अब जाहिर सी बात है शेरनी तो उनके ऊपर जाते ही अटैक करेगी, हंट करेगी. तो जैसे ही वो शेरनी उन भेड़ों की तरफ बढ़ती है, उनका एक बच्चा होता है जो उनके पीछे पीछे चलता है वहाँ पे, लेकिन जो दूसरा बच्चा होता है वो वहाँ पीछे रह जाता है. अब शेरनी और उसका एक बच्चा भेड़ों का शिकार करते करते आगे निकल जाते हैं, लेकिन एक बच्चा पीछे रह जाता है. अब जो वो एक बच्चा पीछे रह जाता है वो भेड़ों के साथ ही घुल मिल जाता है. अब भेड़ों के साथ जब वो घुल मिल जाता है तो वो भी शेर से एक भेड़ बन जाता है. उन्हीं की तरह खाने लगता है, उन्हीं की तरह घास खाता है, उन्हीं की तरह उठता बैठता है. कुछ दिनों बाद जब उसका भाई वहीं से गुजर रहा होता है तो वो अपने भाई को देखता है, अरे ये तो शेर था, ये भेड़ कैसे बन गया, ये घास कैसे खाने लग गया. फिर वो अपने भाई के पास जाता है और उसे कहता है, तुम्हें एहसास भी है तुम क्या कर रहे हो, डू यू रियलाइज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. तो वो हैरान हो जाता है कि मैंने ऐसा क्या कर दिया. कहता तुम अपने आप को पहचानो, तुम भेड़ नहीं हो, तुम शेर हो. तो ऊपर से वो कहता है, नहीं मैं तो भेड़ हूँ, मैं शेर थोड़ी ना हूँ. तो उसके बाद वो अपने भाई को लेकर जाता है कुएं के पास और उसे कहता है, इस कुएं में झांक कर देखो तुम कौन हो, शेर हो या भेड़ हो. और उसके बाद उसे एहसास होता है, he realized that he is not a sheep, he is a tiger, and that what we call that we all must know how to understand the potential inside us. So the conclusion of this story is कि हम सभी को अपना पोटेंशियल रियलाइज करना आना चाहिए. We need to develop it and we need to realize what is the potential inside us. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे बीच आज यहाँ पर जितने भी अवॉर्डीज बैठे हैं वो अपना पोटेंशियल कहीं ना कहीं रियलाइज कर चुके हैं और यही एक सम्मान की बात है कि हम उन्हें यहाँ पर आज अवार्ड दे रहे हैं. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट इट्स यू पीपल who are making this program. So I request to give a big hand to yourself here. एक बार सभी अपने लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएंगे यहाँ पे. Thank you so very much. Okay everyone, एक ऐसी थॉट आया मेरे दिमाग में कि मैंने आप सबका वेलकम करा, ठीक है, हमने हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट का यहाँ पर वेलकम करा, लेकिन क्या आपने अपने साथ जो टेबल पर बैठे हैं उन सबका वेलकम करा? How many of you have done that? किस किसने अपने साथ जो लोग बैठे हैं उनका वेलकम करा है यहाँ पे? Nobody has? Okay, so I think that is the foremost duty that we should do it. Am I right, ma'am? Because this is a place where we all are interacted, people from all different professions. So we should know about each and every one. So I request you all to stand at your respective places and welcome the person just who is sitting next behind you. Come on, let's do it. It will be fun activity, I would say. Again, I request you all कि सभी अपनी अपनी जगह पर ही खड़े होएंगे और आपके साथ में जो है उनका वेलकम करेंगे और उन्हें बोलेंगे that I welcome you here. Whether you will win an award or not, I still obey you for your potential. Okay, you can shake hands, you can hug each other, and you can welcome the person sitting next behind you. Wow, you all are amazing. I'm very sure that it's going to be so much fun here with you all. Thank you so very much everyone. And now it is my honor to invite a lady here with all different thoughts, and as it is said that modest words always makes sense. And she's an author too, a journalist too, who always keeps different views about a particular thing, I can say. She is extremely very talented, very versatile, and now here I request Surabhi Pandey, journalist, author, social entrepreneur, to please join us on stage and grace the gathering with your rich words here. Everybody, a big round of applause for her.
Thank you so much for your kind words. A very warm welcome to everybody. On behalf of AVP, I'm more than humbled by your presence today, and I've been taken a little off guard. I was not prepared for this right now. But it's great to be among such learned people, doctors, people who are excelling in their own fields. And being a journalist, I can say this, that I connect with you people on a different level. Why? Because the kind of service that we give is not just a job that we perform. We live our professions, don't we? So my latest book is called Saturated Agitation, and it got launched recently at India International Center. And why do I deem it relevant to talk about the book here today among you all? Is because there is something which has been going on in the society and in the country, and it has not only shaken me as an individual, as a responsible citizen of the country, but more as a woman. And since you people here are responsible for the healthy well-being of our community, of our country, I think that you people do not only let us live a physically healthy life, but also help us in living a mentally healthy life. And I think mental well-being is something where the entire society is lost today. Talking about unhealth in terms of mind, what comes to my mind immediately is crime against women, the increasing rate in rapes in Delhi. Do we feel proud of ourselves when we assemble to celebrate something in a place which is sadly known as the rape capital of the country? When I visit places, different places, not only in our country but abroad, and people ask me that, oh my God, you're a working lady from Delhi? Is it safe there? I not only feel ashamed, but I feel worried. I feel scared and I feel humiliated. Saturated Agitation is a novel which tries to talk about crime against women, which tries to warn the society to buck up now before it's too late. However, personally, I feel we're already running really late. As I have spoken this many a times during my interviews as well, that 5,000 years of patriarchy is not going to go away just like that. So I request every person, every responsible person sitting here today amongst us to raise a voice whenever you see something wrong happening, and to help people who have lost their path, have gone on some direction which is way more than pervertism. You know, rape has gone beyond pervertism. What happened in 2012 was not just a pervert trying to, achieve something. It was beyond rape, it was beyond sexual assault, it was mental assault, it was a warning that women today are not safe. So I request everybody that today on this beautiful occasion, when you all are here to win awards, to talk about the wonderful journeys that you've lived across your lives, please grab a free copy of Saturated Agitation from the outside registration desk and let me know if you like it or not. Thank you and have a very good day. I congratulate all the winners. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Surabhi, for your rich words. That was so inspiring, so enlightening. Thank you so very much.